Hey guys, today you're going to continue drawing out your skimmers. Some of you got a little bit farther yesterday, but I think by the end of class today, everyone should be finished drawing it out. You should have a page that kind of looks like this. You are going to want to make sure that any of the adults in the room can take a look at it. Going to eyeball and make sure that your measurements are correct. It's very important that your measurements are correct now so that when you get to the point where you're going to cut it out and put it together, that all of your pieces will fit. Okay, so goal number one today is getting all your pieces drawn. You'll have four of them. Once your pieces are drawn, you're going to start coloring it. Now, I always use the phrase add color to it because you're going to be graded on adding color neatly. So you can decide how you want to add color to it. If you want to add racing stripes to it, or swirls, or stars, if you just want to write on it with markers or colored pencils to get that color on there, it's entirely up to you. Here's kind of my example. So I decided that I wanted mine to be called the Fireball. So I added some flames on the front here, and then I added some fireballs on each of the fins. At a minimum, you must color these three pieces. You don't have to color the one in the middle. You can if you want to. That's also actually a good place to put your name because that will be on the bottom of your skimmer, so most people don't see it. But if you put your name on it, that's a good spot for it to be. So you must add color to at least these three pieces. Please notice that I didn't color them completely. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. You can color back here. Just because I didn't doesn't mean you can't. All I want to recommend is don't color so dark that you lose your dotted lines. You will need that when you start to cut and fold it out. So this would be your second goal, is finishing coloring today or getting as much coloring onto it as possible. That means tomorrow you could finish coloring and then start cutting and assembling, finish cutting and assembling on Monday, and then we are launching our skimmers on Tuesday, okay? So we're trying to get them launched by Tuesday, which means you need a finished skimmer by the end of class on Monday. So again, recapping, step one, finish all of your measurements. Step two is to color. If you finish coloring today, this is why you can see me in Google Classroom here. There are now two ed puzzles down in Google Classroom. Okay, one is your drawing your skimmer that we started yesterday, and the other one is the cutting and folding of your skimmer. So it is important to watch through that one so you know where to cut and where to fold and how to do all of that. If you get to cutting and folding today, my recommendation would be just to cut your pieces out today, and then tomorrow I can walk you guys how to fold it, how to assemble, that sort of thing. Otherwise, good luck on getting all of your work done. I will see you guys tomorrow.